Good evening, viewers. Hi, this is Anchal on Spotify with Taza Talks. Today we are welcoming our little author, जो एक 8 साल की बच्ची है and recently Tiny Tales of Wonder के नाम से उनकी बुक लॉन्च हुई है और we are very honored कि आज वो हमारे ताजा टॉक्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे है. So thank you very much, Saisha, ma'am. So Saisha, welcome on Taza Talks platform. So can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hello ma'am, my name is Saisha Sreshi Saroj and I am 8 years old. I study in class 4 of Mothers International School in New Delhi. I am interested in reading books, writing poetry and painting. I dance and sing, basically classical.
Wow, that means आपने तो कुछ छोड़ा ही नहीं, सब कुछ करते हो. अब you are multitasker.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So, Saisha, what made you want to write Tiny Tales of Wonder?
Ma'am, nature inspired me itself. All of us, all the living beings in our planet has born together, has lived together. Then how can we be separated with nature and try to harm nature with our selfishness and greed? Tiny Tales of Wonder reflects us and our surroundings.
Okay, perfect. So you are a nature lover.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
must say, yes. So, Saisha, when did you start writing stories and what was your first story about?
Ma'am, I started writing stories when I was 4 years old, and I still remember that my first story was about an illustrative poem on Ramayana. My teachers were very pleased with my poem.
Okay, perfect. So, Saisha, who or what inspires you to write?
Ma'am, reading books and watching plays inspires me to ignite my imagination.
Okay, perfect. So, Saisha, कैसा फील हुआ आपको जब आपका एज एन ऑथर आपकी बुक पब्लिश हुई और आप सिर्फ 8 साल की हैं, तो कैसा आपको उस टाइम पे, हाउ डज इट फील?
Now I'm feeling like it is the most exciting moment of my life. I'll wait for the feedback of my readers as my biggest love from them.
Okay, sure. So can you tell us what Tiny Tales Wonder is about?
Tiny Tales of Wonder is an amalgam of stories and poems about playful frogs, journeys to space, majestic rainbows, and talking flowers, and how we are all together in this happy planet.
Oh, okay. So it's a mixture of, it's a blend of nature and like nature से बहुत ज़्यादा related है, तो relate कर सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Saisha, what messages do you want readers to take from your book?
Ma'am, I want readers to forget this real world for a while and with this book get connected to nature, just like Alice used to do in her Wonderland.
Yeah, मैं भी पढ़ती थी. मैं बड़ी हो गई थी फिर भी पढ़ती थी. Perfect. So, Saisha, did anyone help you while writing this book?
Ma'am, my parents and my teachers helped me to write this book.
तो आपने इसको मतलब खुद से लिखा है या टाइप किया है?
Ma'am, I've written it by myself.
Okay, wonderful. So how long did it take you to finish your book?
Ma'am, it took around 3 years to finish my book.
3 years. Okay. And what do you do when you feel stuck while writing a story?
I always read bedtime stories. Bedtime stories are the main boosters. So when I get stuck, I pause for a while and then again start writing again.
Okay. So, Saisha, do you plan to write another book in future?
Ma'am, I have so many plans in my heart to write another book, and I have always enjoyed writing. Now I have to focus on my studies too.
That's very important. Studies, education is very important. You're absolutely right, baby. So, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Ma'am, when I grow up, I want to be a writer and win the Nobel Prize so that history can remember me forever.
Wonderful passion you have. Nobel Prize. जिसने ये सोच लिया उसको मिल ही जाता है. Just manifest it.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome anytime, baby. So, what is the most exciting thing about being an author?
Ma'am, the most exciting thing about being an author is that I can express my imagination and my feelings through this book.
So, साइशा, आपकी क्लास में, आपके स्कूल में, आपके क्लासमेट्स भी आपको फॉलो करते हैं क्या? उनमें से कोई ऐसा हुआ कि मैं भी लिखूंगी बुक, या ऐसा कुछ आपसे इंस्पायर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is that? Your best friend?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what's the name of your best friend?
Uma.
Sorry?
Uma.
Okay. Wow. Uh, how can people buy or read Tiny Tales of Wonder? Can you share all the things to our viewers so that they can read, they can buy your book?
Ma'am, it's available on Amazon and Flipkart in ebook.
Okay.
And previously it was available in World Book Fair, hall number 4, stall number 7.
Okay. So, is there anything else you would?
And now it's on my Insta page.
Okay. Perfect. So, is there anything else you would like to share with us today?
Now nature has given us everything and we should show gratitude to nature. Also, I have a YouTube channel named Fun Learn with Saisha, and please join me.
So, Saisha, who is your perfect ideal for your journey, for your life? अभी आप जितना grow किया
Ruskin
है.
Bond, Sudha Murthy, Roald Dahl, Enid Blyton.
And who loved you the most, mama या papa?
Ma'am, both equally.
Okay, perfect. So, Saisha, one message do you want to give, just like जो आपकी तरह बच्चे grow कर रहे हैं, जो author बनना चाहते हैं, तो being an author, being an एक हमारी little author के लिए एक छोटा सा उन बच्चों के लिए मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगी जो आप ही की तरह author बनना चाहते हैं?
Ma'am, I think they should also get inspired by me and all the authors I named just now, and read books, watch plays, and please ignite their freedom, ignite their imagination.
Perfect, wonderful. So thank you so much, Saisha, for coming on this platform, Taza Talks. And आपके लिंक्स हम यहाँ पे जरूर आपके अगले एपिसोड पे शेयर कर देंगे. तो ये थे हमारे बीच में एक छोटी सी बच्ची साइशा जो 8 साल की है और ऑथर हैं. तो बहुत सारे बच्चों को इनसे इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगी. सो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच साइशा. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.